Hey, good morning, everybody. Today we're going to assemble our raised bed gardens here. So stay with me and I'll start putting it together. Off we go. The first thing I like to do is to get all the screws in first and then come back and tighten them later. All right, now that you've seen how one goes together, I'll go ahead and assemble the second one and then we'll come back and talk about the bare spot on the grass. All right, now that we've got them both assembled, as you can see, we need to place them where they're going to be. Let me go ahead and get my measuring tape. We'll start doing that. So I'm wanting them to be like 5 feet away from the fence. perfect there. All right, this needs to come up to here. Little adjustment. We want about 4 feet in between. A little bit short, a little bit long. All right. And these two will be 5 feet. Okay. All right, this is going to be our final placement. Go ahead and get these caps back on. With regards to the grass that's dead over there, after doing some research, I decided that once I get the dirt delivered next week, I'm going to save some, put in this bare spot, and then get some grass seed and plant in there. I think that's going to be the best bet. All right, that's going to be it for our raised bed assembly. Stay tuned next week when we get the dirt, and we'll be dumping them in the beds. And our plants are getting close to being planted. Maybe three, 4 more weeks until we get the last frost, and then we'll be able to plant them. So until then, if you like, please subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next one.